Hello friends, good evening to all of you. This is Kamal sir and welcome you back to my channel Cracked English by Kamal sir. Dear friends, everything around us makes a different sound. Thus, every object has a different sound name. In English language, I am going to shed some light on the different objects and their sounds under the title Sounds of Objects Part 1. I hope you'll certainly like this video. So let me start the video. Number one is aeroplanes and the sound is zoom. Second object is bells and the sound is ring. Third object is clock and the sound is tick. Fourth doors and the sound is bang, B-A-N-G. Fifth object is engines and the sound is whistle. Sixth one is fire and the sound is crackle. Seventh one is guns and the sound is boom, B-O-O-M, boom. Eighth is hoots and the sound is clatter, C-L-A-T-T-E-R, clatter. Ninth one is keys and the sound of this object is jingle, J-I-N-G-L-E, jingle. Next is part 10. Part 10 is leaves and the sound is rustle, R-U-S-T-L-E, rustle. 11th is metals and the sound is ring, R-I-N-G. 12th is nuts and the sound is crack, C-R-A-C-K. 13th object is rifles and the sound is report. 14th word is seals and the sound of this object is flap, F-L-A-P. 15th word is telephones and the sound is buzz, B-U-Z-Z. Last but not the least, whips and its sound is crack, C-R-A-C-K. So dear friends, thanks a lot for watching to this video. But don't forget to subscribe to my channel Cracked English by Kamal sir. Also like it. Thank you.